And hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the Hip Kit Club, and this is my first layout with the gorgeous May 2021 kits. And I started by fussy cutting some of these cute little sayings. They look like washi tape strips, and they were on a pattern paper from Jen Hatfield, I believe. And I had a older cut file on my desk, so I thought I could use it on this layout, but I will not. And here you can see me ripping some of these paper strips or the colored strips apart from one of the Pink Fresh Studio papers. And I am scrapping two little pictures from my little one in the age of 1.5 or something like that. And he was just way too adorable and cheeky and greeny and happy. And so I just printed them out. And I am happy that I used them today because I totally love them. So now I'm also grabbing, or I did cut out 2 circles from another paper from Pink Fresh Studio. And here I'm just distressing the edges from the paper strips. And then I will start to look around into all of the other bits and pieces because this is my first layout with the gorgeous new kits. And so I am totally overwhelmed and did not... I wanted to use everything, but in the end, I'm nearly using nothing, so. I also got the exclusive March flowers. They were missing in my last package, and so I just got them, and I sneaked some exclusive flowers from the March exclusive stuff into the onto this page today. And I totally love them. I was thinking about doing something like tone on tone, so I will start doing that, but the pictures are more on the blue side than on the green, like the papers, and so it is not what I thought it would. But yeah, you will see that how it comes together right now. So I'm starting to ruffle up the edges from the papers, the circles, the flowers, and everything else. I just wanted to have lots of dimension and texture going on. I will also bring in some white thread, and I will excuse me, I will add that on all of the flowers, just for another texture and for another... Yeah, I don't know. I really love how thread is looking on underneath paper, and so I'm just going with white because there are already a few colors going on, and so I don't want it to overdo it, and I love white thread. So you can see me now adding the thread to the flowers, and I really love how this is looking. Then I will have a break and I will glue everything down. But I would change a few things. You can see I removed the circle with the rainbow from the Pink Fresh Studio paper. I thought I would use it. But I couldn't find the perfect place, and so I am not using it. Then I thought I would go with a little circle where are all of the rainbow colors into little hearts. I'm sticking the stickers to white cardstock, then I will cut them out to use them like I would with a die cut. But in the end, I will not use that circle either, so I will just have a look. And yeah, like I said before, I wanted to use everything, and yeah. My first idea for a title was Love You on with a kind of puffy stickers from Pink Fresh, and they are totally tone on tone with the paper, so I thought I would go with that. But I will also change that. I don't know, it was not what I expected, so I would change that. Here you can see I added the word you on top of the bigger flower right to the picture, on the right side from the picture. I thought I would go with this half circle with OMG on it, but I will not, so I will remove that too. And I'm just grabbing and trying and looking, but it was not easy today. So just trying to find... Oh yeah, I wanted to bring in another word like oh you or so you, and I looked on these puffy words from Paige Evans and I grabbed the word so. So it's So You is my title. Very, very original, I know, but it's I don't know. So, and now I'm bringing in some enamel dots and I'm going with tone on tone here. And because of the little yellow middle thing from the flower on the left side, I thought I want to use some yellow. So I stopped, I had a look, and here I wanted to just remove that little cluster, but I ripped a part from the flower away, and so I needed something else to cover that up, and so I thought I would go, maybe I can use some butterflies. And I will grab a yellow one. No, all of the butterflies are from Paige Evans. I will cut out some of the paper from the Paige Evans paper with all of the butterflies, and I will grab 2 of these chipboard or die cut butterflies. I will go with yellow on top and with a blue one right there, and I totally love that. I think the yellow is a great addition to the mix, and I totally love how this is looking. So, and here I was just thinking about a yellow flower or something like that, but I will not. I will stay with the blue butterfly, and I will cut out a smaller one. You can see right here. And this is my final page, and I totally love it. I wanted to bring in some golden puffy hearts, but I will not. Instead of that, I would just add some golden splatters, and I am done, and I love it. And I hope you are inspired in some ways to create something beautiful today. And thank you so very much for stopping by. I wish you all a great day, and yeah, talk to you soon. That's it. Thank you, and bye.